We're in Long Beach at Long Beach Convention Center for Midsummer Scream, the largest Halloween convention in the world this year, expecting over 50,000 attendees. Today, we're going to take you on a tour of the Hall of Shadows, and we're joined by our special guest for today's episode, Skeleton Sam from Lovecraft. You may have heard of them. They did some music for Hocus Pocus 2, The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, Sci-Fi's Chucky. The list goes on. It's a long list. We don't have time for that. The Hall of Shadows is a whole dark zone full of miniature haunted houses. Your favorite, right? You love haunted houses, right? Yeah. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. On behalf of Sharp Productions, I'm Philip. This is Skeleton Sam from Lovecraft. Let's check out the Hall of Shadows at Midsummer Scream 2024. Duskfall Hollow.
What are you looking for? What are you doing in here? Get out!
Sam? Yeah, you're the same. Yeah.
Embodies your darkest terrors, each a harsh judgment of your life's choices.
We made it. I mean, there were some fun parts, right? There were a lot of dead bodies in there. Gosh. Okay, next, onward.
But Tower of Honors, you ain't like that sweet and all This is the point of no return. Your cries and screams of
Beetlejuice one time, and then you were getting married. Bye, Skeleton Sam. Good seeing you again. Bye. Oh, yeah. You don't know.
Oh, wow.
I got you good, didn't I? Oh, well. Got this crap on something. Why don't you folks stick around a while? Have some dinner with us. Well, come again soon.
You did it! Yeah, what was your favorite part? Yep, mine too. Yeah, I loved that part. It was great. It was great. It was great. Ah, man, you're so brave, Skeleton Sam. So brave. So brave. All right. Hello, Margot.
Hi there. Oh my god. Okay, so don't tell anyone. I kind of had to sort of sneak in here because here's the thing, right? I might be the margarita, but I'm not extreme enough. Do you see that?
That's extreme.
You're going in on the extreme.
You're gonna need more margaritas for that.
I put spiders in it. Do you think it's extreme enough?
No, yeah, I think we need more. Double the arsenic.
Smells good, right?
How about some skeleton bone in there? Just a little bit of powdered bone, just a little bit.
Well, I don't know if a good friend here's gonna donate, but it's okay. I can go in. I know where he lives. It's okay. Huh? What? I didn't say anything. I didn't hear anything. Happy Midsummer Scream! Wait.
TV. Dance, 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 the way he move you in a trance, trance, trance. Ooh, we make you wanna dance, dance, dance until you can't. Shaking every bone like Skeleton Sam.
Elizondo, the incident at Hope's Edge. Okay, ready? Hope's Edge. I like the edge of hope. Yeah.
Stop this! I believe in you.
I believe in you. You got it. You got it. See, it's fine. It's so pretty. Wow, look at it. Okay, the incident at Hope's Edge. Sam, okay. Realm of Shadow, line was really long. Let's regroup. We'll come back. We'll come back to it. Yeah. Okay. You're not gonna get out of it though, but we'll come back. Yeah, I know. You're gonna try and trick me. I know. I'm not gonna forget. All right. Yeah. Is he gonna come out? You look great together.
Does this come in pumpkin spice?
Oh, we are all for pumpkin spice.
What do you mean you're having pumpkin spice? It's 10 a.m.
Pumpkin spice everything, sorry, not sorry. Pumpkin spice rims on my pumpkin spice Rari. From the left to looking for that penis. They say it's only May and they giving me that penis. Yes, I want whipped cream, yes, I want nuts. Don't be so stingy, sprinkle that dust. Got pumpkin spice backgrounds on all of my songs. Pumpkin spice NFT straight to the moon.
Pumpkin spice spicy. Pumpkin spice spicy.
You smell so good. Can I see your blood, please? Please, I need you to survive, please!
The line is closed right now, maybe an hour or two for their breaks. Enjoy the event though, we got a few good ones open still.
We have a few things left to finish in the Hall of Shadows, but they're taking breaks. Monsters need breaks too. I think you have some friends over here at the hayride, right? Yeah, right? Yeah. Okay, Sam, let's get your picture.
Oh, very spooky. Oh, stop it, you.
Okay. Everyone say Lovecraft.
Lovecraft.
I'm rolling in the pumpkin spice deep. Can't you tell
Right on.
Sam, what'd you think? Yeah, right? So we made it through almost all of the haunts in the Hall of Shadows. Almost, yeah. But we got to meet a lot of friends, and some friends that, we hung around, got all the monsters around from all the local attractions and haunted houses that are coming up. Yeah, we got a lot of fun time, yeah. Thank you all for watching. Let us know what you thought of Skeleton Sam, and let us know, I know, I snuck that in there. Let us know what maze you thought was the best. All right. There's just Michael in the background. Yeah.